No.
They're not meant to open. Lovely. Okay. I really felt it. He followed me on Instagram, I think, or maybe he just looked me up.
Why do you think we were lying about being vegan?
Oh, we should go see him in Menchie's. They just entered Menchie's, but they're really nice people. Oh, no, that's just a closet. We're leaving the door open because this one. Guys, you gotta burp. Need to eat. Guys, I'm so ready to eat. I'm freaking hungry. Square sunglasses or rectangle sunglasses, they're my thing. Sorry. Why did you jump? Guys, Alexa, play. Okay. Okay.
Oh. I'm not sure.
My body's talking. To be ready. What was I doing?
Hold on. It's Where'd you come home for, Lex? No further questions.
Don't have buffalo chicken wings 3 days in a row. You are vile. What? For £1? Yeah, I would. I mean, you look like an absolute tramp.
End of your eyes. Give me a fucking break.
Platform.
Oh my god. That must have been good.
Oh my god.
But I feel like a lot of people can like fake it for a while and then everyone.
But I've watched that person.
Hope they came out good because that's something I'm excited for you. Sorry, that was rude. Excuse me. Hey. Oh, that came out of nowhere. What's up, guys? I am doing a Raven cosplay from Teen Titan. Holy fuck.
Did you go to college?
We are recording.
You think you got that?
All right.
Okay. Or you can.
Okay.
Wish.
What the